Did you know that there's a new piece of AI software that will allow you to automate nearly all of your work? And if you know what you're doing, you can use it to make a lot of money in the digital space. Numerous resources exist that provide step-by-step instructions on how to write and market your articles for profit. But in this video, I'll demonstrate how to use this awesome tool to earn an additional $250 daily. Actually, you won't even have any products to sell. This video, as well as the method it demonstrates, can be accessed without any cost at all. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The software I am talking about is called Chat GPT. With today's video, I hope to shed light on a brand new approach to making legit money with Chat GPT at no cost to you whatsoever, allowing you to potentially earn hundreds. The article that the Chat GPT is going to create is of such high quality. And because it was still made by AI, this article is more like a dry factual piece than a persuasive one written by a human, but it can still be very useful. The Chat GPT website is what you see on your screen right now. Right off the bat, you will need to accomplish this if you want to start making money. Just find the simplest and quickest way to recreate it. To begin, launch Chat GPT on your browser. At the moment, it can be accessed through a website known as OpenAI. You can find ChatGPT directly by visiting openai.com and scrolling down to the list of featured software. After you have clicked on it, you will automatically be brought to this page. Just hit this button right here that says Try ChatGPT and you will be sent to the software. Create an account by signing up for it. You can accomplish this using your existing Google account. Not to mention, there is no cost involved in any way. Now here is the way that it truly works. If there is something that you want from this program, for example, something that you are curious about, all you need to do is put it down in this chat box at the bottom of the page. Now, as an example, what I could write there is something along the lines of, please write me a 300-word blog post about the best ways to earn money in 2023. ChatGPT can make it for you in only a few minutes, and it will be created in real time. It will produce it immediately in front of your eyes as soon as you click the button. Before I reveal how you could earn using the same method I am about to share with you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can watch more of our awesome money-making strategies. So now, back to our video. I am aware that you have been wondering how exactly you will profit from this situation. So let's go over the steps. As a first way of monetization, you might sell your skills to other people by writing articles for them to utilize. These articles may be helpful for social media copywriting, or they could be used to assist with essays, product descriptions, and a variety of other types of writing. So one could say that ChatGPT has the potential to be an excellent resource for writers. Simply sign up for several freelancing websites, establish a profile for yourself, and offer your services on those platforms. The next step that you need to take is to go to Quora.com and register for an account there. You should use the search bar at the top of the page to look up information about earning money on the internet. Keywords like make money online and how to make money online are examples. You are going to encounter quite a few questions in this section. You may use this for other niches as well. So choose the one with the largest number of followers based on your needs, because you will also be answering it for more than 14,000 other individuals who have subscribed to check out these questions, and they will see your response. It is quite easy to do and has a significant amount of potential. There are further questions that have been narrowed down to a specialty that receives fewer answers and has fewer people following them, but they are going to bring you even more traffic. Questions like, what is the best method to make money online? And what is the easiest way to make money online are similar. So you can see they are not simply general queries. These cater to a more specific subset of the population. Now, copy the question from Quora and paste it into Chat GPT, followed by please write a 300-word response to this question and paste it again. Therefore, this is going to be the way that it appears, and all you need to do is press the Enter key. And you're going to see that the Chat GPT is going to write a blog post about it, and you can see that this is going to solve your problem. Now, it will automatically generate the solution for you. Your only task is to wait for a few seconds. We finally have an answer to our question. Let's pause for a moment and let me ask you, what are your thoughts on Chat GPT? Leave a comment in the box below. We love to hear from you. Now, let's get back. Now that you have this answer, you can just copy it, head back to Quora, and paste it there. Just make sure that it is going to look great, and then to add the finishing touch at the bottom, put your affiliate link, which you will be able to receive from the next website that I am going to show you. This is one of the reputable sites that might pay you for completing a few tasks online. I'm telling you this because it's one of the sites that I have used. They have a sign-up bonus and they pay through PayPal. I was thinking you might appreciate this. Though I do receive a little commission if you sign up, there are benefits for you as well. Just be completely honest when promoting this website. So there is the website where we will get the affiliate link and earn cash. You can access this website, which is referred to as freecash.com. This is essentially a one-of-a-kind monetization strategy that can bring in a few $100 daily. It's like a survey website where you can sign up and do surveys and get paid for that. But we are not going to do that. Nonetheless, you may make a few $1,000s simply by using this website alone. Click on rewards and then copy your affiliate link to complete most of what you need to do. That is the only thing you need to do for it to start paying you. That's pretty much all you're supposed to do on this page. You can choose to withdraw the money you have earned in the form of either cash or a gift card, both of which are available to you as alternatives when it comes time to cash out your earnings. You can choose to cash out through PayPal cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and more. There are also a lot of gift cards to use, which are equally useful. Additionally, you have the option of withdrawing it as skins for the games of your choice. You have a wide variety of options available to you. Now, let me show you what my affiliate link looks like. Now that you have established an account on FreeCash, you should add a link to it in the relevant section of your Quora post. Simply select the words you want to hyperlink and then paste the affiliate link that you copied from FreeCash into the box that appears. Now you've got your post up and running. We will just wait for this post to reach your audience. Surely ChatGPT is a very useful tool despite its reputation in the business, since it's still too early to say. We would love to know what your thoughts are on this method we have for you today, especially with this new software. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.